Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cool name intro in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and then I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to get the black background. Okay, I'm going to use black background for my intro. Okay, and I'm going to add text to this background. I'm gonna go to the text and then select add text, and I'm going to type in cool intro. All right, and you can change the font if you want. You can choose the font that you like. And for example guys, I'm going to select I'm going to select this one. Okay, I'm going to zoom in to make it bigger. All right, and wait, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. Okay, and then I'm going to animate my text. We can click on the text and then we're going to select animations. Okay, for the animation, I'm going to choose the in animation, and then I'm going to try I'm going to try this slide right animation. Okay, and then we can adjust the duration right here. Okay, you can customize the duration. All right, and then I'm going to add like smoke effect to my project. I'm going to click on overlay and then add overlay, and I'm going to go to my download folder. So before I create this project, I have downloaded smoke effect from the internet. This one. You can get this video from the internet. You just need to search for smoke video for intro, and you can use it for your intro to make your intro cool. Okay, and you can adjust the position and also the timing. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Wait guys, I'm going to adjust the text. All right. Oops, sorry. Okay. I'm going to make it bigger, guys. Okay, just make it bigger to create cool effect. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cool intro on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.